Well, we had some thunderstorms rumble through parts of the viewing area earlier this evening, and some spots after the storms cleared. A couple of rainbows. So I'm going to step out of the way so you can check out these viewer photos. Tina capturing this double rainbow, the other part of it hidden away there by our logo over in the Wabasha area. Vibrant colors there. Another one coming in from the Zumbro Falls region. Daryl capturing this great rainbow, and I think that might even be a double rainbow as well. Big thank you to our viewers for sending in those awesome photos, and you can submit and share your own here. You can join our KTTC Weather Photo Community Group on Facebook. Share those weather photos, sunsets, and garden gallery. That starts up on Monday, May 8th. So we have been seeing some rainy conditions all across the region here throughout this weekend, starting yesterday, and now another little dose across the area today. A lot of spots picking up another couple tenths of an inch of rainfall, so about 2/10 here in Rochester, just shy of that, right around that 1/10 of an inch mark in Mason City. 500ths in the Albert Lee area, another 2/10 there picked up in the Charles City region. So a little bit more wet weather, and you can see a lot of that rain activity staying along and north of the I-90 corridor. Not so much happening there in northern Iowa, but don't worry, we're looking to see some rain opportunities on the way later on tomorrow for that part of our region. So overall, a lot of that storm activity has now cleared. We are looking at some quieter skies there. The bulk of that activity now further off towards our northeast. But you'll notice that frontal boundary still hanging out right across our viewing area. And again, that's firing off those storms that we had earlier this evening. But you'll notice cloudy skies still hanging around, even some hazy conditions there, a little foggy there. You'll notice our temperatures here across the area sitting into the upper 50s, low 60s, but dew points right in line there with those temperatures, and with the combination of very calm winds, great creation for fog to happen across the area. So we are looking at that development there of some potential development of patchy fog later on this evening. Notice visibility down to about 1.5 miles in the Austin area already, about 2 miles there in Albert Lee. You'll notice towards Algona, just outside of our viewing area, looking at little to no visibility there. So do use some extra caution out there for tonight, but we will keep an eye out for that patchy fog tonight into tomorrow morning. But overall, quiet evening here in store for the rest of tonight. Tomorrow, however, dry afternoon, but we are tracking the chance for additional isolated storms, maybe a couple strong ones as we head towards later on tomorrow evening. But next week, looking to continue on with above average temperatures in the 70s. So here's our outlook and what we're tracking for Sunday. I think our better opportunity for some activity will stay south of the Rochester area, mainly into North Iowa. Notice the opportunity there for some scattered storms. I do think we could see maybe some isolated strong storms in the area tomorrow that will stay mainly south of I-90, primarily into North Iowa. And I do think the best timing for that will be around 7 o'clock through about 11 o'clock tomorrow evening. So daytime hours looking pretty fantastic, and I'll show you here with Future Track. Overnight hours, you'll notice staying pretty quiet. Clouds, though, do hang around through tomorrow morning as we wake up with temperatures into about those mid-50s. So daytime hours staying mostly dry, maybe looking at some spotty showers there, a couple rumbles of thunder through the noon hour, and then that main wave looking to pull through later on in the evening hours. So again, notice how the majority of that activity stays in northern Iowa through the Mason City, Charles City region, and that will linger through late Sunday night. By Monday, then, conditions looking to dry out, getting more sunshine back in the area for the afternoon. So we do look to pick up a little bit more moisture here as we head through about Monday. I do think most of us may be picking up another couple tenths, up towards about 1/4 of an inch of rainfall, maybe closer to 1/2 of an inch between the Mason City and Charles City area. As for tonight, we'll see those showers wrapping up. Some mist is still possible here with that patchy fog. Temperatures dropping back towards about those mid-50s. Here's a look at tomorrow, 70s area wide, maybe some low 80s throughout North Iowa there for those afternoon highs, with those showers and thunderstorms rolling in for the evening hours. But here's a look at that 70 forecast. Some nice sunshine on the way for Tuesday, Wednesday. Temperatures holding steady there into the 70s. Nick?